Hey, what's up you guys? Matt Thibeau here with Savant Marketing Agency, and in this video, we're going to talk about the 4 different ways that you can market your construction business on Google. Now, if you're a contractor and you're looking to get more leads into your business, then Google is probably the hottest type of lead that you can get because people are searching through Google for, flooring contractor near me or painting contractor in my area. And so the leads that you're going to get through Google are going to generally be a lot more qualified than any other place you can get through on the internet, simply just because of the nature of the platform and how people use it to find solutions for their problem. So if you're looking to start marketing your business more and you want to use Google, keep watching this video because I'm going to break down these 4 different things that you can do to start marketing your business on Google and get more qualified leads. So the first way that you can start getting more leads through Google is by using something called Google Ads. Now, Google Ads have been around for a really long time, and I'm sure you've probably heard of them, but maybe you don't know exactly the difference between Google Ads and some of the other things that are available on Google that we're going to talk about in just a sec. But Google Ads are basically, it's a platform. You can go to ads.google.com, and basically it's a platform where you can actually pay Google to get your business or your website to the top results for very specific keywords. So let's say, for example, that you do floor refinishing services and you want to target a very specific set of zip codes, then you can actually target that zip code for that specific keyword. So when people are searching for it, then your business will show up at the top results of Google for that. So it's a very effective, very aggressive strategy. It works really well. The downside of Google Ads is that it's getting a little bit more expensive to compete in, simply just because bigger businesses will dump, 5-figure, even 6-figure budgets sometimes into Google Ads. And so you have to definitely have a very good strategy if you don't have a big budget, maybe targeting some of those less competitive keywords so that you can still show up on Google Ads. But again, very effective strategy if you're able to get it locked in properly, because the lead quality is going to be really, really good. So again, Google Ads, you can go to ads.google.com to check that out. The second way you can market your business on Google is using something called local SEO. Now, local SEO is basically just the process of getting that little business listing you have on Google where people can leave you reviews. You want to be able to start ranking that up higher in listings, so when people are searching for what you do, then you can be top 3 results in your local area in the map section where people can leave you reviews. And so this is called local SEO. And basically what our goal here is to rank this listing to higher results on Google, so when people are searching for what it is that you offer, then they can actually find your listing and they can just click like call or go to your website and then contact you from there. Now, local SEO is super cool because you're not actually paying for ads, right? So once you rank this business listing and you get it up to, let's say, the 3-pack, which is top 3 in your local area, then really all you have to do is just kind of keep getting reviews and overall just maintain the listing. And you're basically getting these leads for free, and you're not going to have to really worry about ad spend, right? Now, this is a huge advantage because this business listing can be pumping out, depending on the type of business you have, dozens of phone calls a month. And it's going to be a really solid asset in your business long term for you to be able to get enough leads coming through. Now, the downside, I guess, that you can say with local SEO is that it's going to take more time to start ranking that than, let's say, with Google Ads. Because we're paying Google to get you to the top. Whereas with the local SEO, this might take some time if you've got a bunch of people who are above you, right? And so the 2 ways that you can start ranking your business listing on Google is getting more reviews and then also getting a bunch of different little websites across the internet to all say the same thing about your business. Because if your phone number on one website is different than the listing phone number, or let's say that you recently changed your address and on one website it says that your business address is this, and on another website it says your business address is this, then that is going to hurt your local SEO rankings. And so if you have multiple different addresses or different phone numbers or just different information online about your business, you want to be able to sort that out and change that so that it's all the same across the board. And what this is going to do is rank that business listing higher up in Google so you can get more leads with local SEO. So that's local SEO. That's the second way you can market your business on Google. The third way that you can market your business on Google is by doing website SEO. So we talked about local SEO, which is ranking the business listing. Website SEO is the process of actually working on your website so that people can find the website through search results. So the best way that you can do this is by probably putting a blog post on your website. That's one of the easiest things to do, is put a blog section on your website and be putting out blogs maybe a couple times a month, even once a week if you can. And what this is going to do is signal to Google that fresh new content is coming from this website, especially if the blog posts that you're doing have the keyword in it. So let's say that like you do bathroom remodels and then the blog post is called like top 10 bathroom remodel designs in 2023, then that's going to be a pretty solid strategy for being able to rank your website higher up in search results in Google. Now, this is again, similar to the local SEO, this is going to take some time for this to happen, right? We're not talking right away. We're talking months to be able to rank this website up higher, right? And the process of the website SEO is probably the most complicated out of all these different strategies. But once you are up there, similar to like the business listing SEO I was talking about, then you're going to reap the benefits of being up high in search results, because you don't have to pay for ads to get there, but you do have to pay for your agency to maintain that listing. Let's say if you are using an agency, or you have to maintain it by doing things like blog posts and just making sure that the website is up to date in terms of the SEO maintenance. And then the last way, the fourth way that you can market your business is going to be using something called Google Guaranteed, or Google Local Service Ads, it's called. So these are super cool. Basically what this is another program that Google has for ads, where basically, unlike Google Ads where you pay per click, so with Google Ads, every time someone clicks your ad, you're charged a couple bucks. Whereas with with the local service ads or Google Guaranteed, you only have to pay for the leads that come in. So the leads might be a little bit more expensive, but at least you're like only getting leads and not paying for clicks, right? So this is a really good option for someone who maybe doesn't want to mess around with Google Ads. You don't understand how to use Google Ads and you're just looking to get like a quick and easy win. Then you can use local service ads or Google Guaranteed that can put you to the top results of Google pretty quickly, because you're paying for that. The only downside of Google Guaranteed is that there's a couple things. The first thing is that you have to apply to be able to join it. So you have to give certain documents and apply for it so they can check out your business and see that you're legit. The second thing is that there's not really any real way to differentiate your listing on there other than just pay to play. Whereas with Google Ads, you can like pay per keyword, so you can get really strategic on what keywords you want to do. And once you dial that in, it could become cheaper than local service ads. Whereas with local service ads, like you're kind of just paying to play for the industry that you're in. You don't have a whole lot of control, but the upside of it is that it's super simple and you're at the top of Google. The last downside though of local service ads or Google Guaranteed is that it's only available for certain niches. So for example, things like plumbing or electrical, those are some niches that Google Guaranteed will focus on. Whereas other niches, maybe like painting or lawn care, it's not always included, right? Or like basement remodels, etc. Those things aren't always included into the Google Guaranteed program. And so if that's your niche, then you're not even able to do these types of ads. And so that can be a downside, obviously, if you want to do them, right? And so those are the 4 different ways that you can market your business on Google. I recommend that you definitely want to try them all. If you're looking for some help on how to get your business ranked higher on Google, or using Google Ads, or any of the things that we talked about, definitely reach out to me. I'd be happy to speak with you, and we could do a free strategy call and just see which one would be more suitable for your business. Hope you guys found this helpful. You can leave a comment below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, or if you didn't, totally fine. And if you're watching this on YouTube, give us a subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and I hope you have a good week. See you later.